Hi guys, with you Kids Draft Toys TV. Today we are learning and playing with plasticine play-doh. Take the red clay, roll it, we have such a plunger, extrude and get tomato, my friend. Cool. Now we take the green clay up. Also roll out, squeeze like this. And look guys, Bulgarian pepper. And what do we make from orange clay? Roll out and voila! We got a carrot. Now purple coral. Roll out our magic plunger and look, yes, this is eggplant. That's cool. Repeat after me. Purple, orange, green, red, tomato, bell pepper, carrot, eggplant. Well done! See you soon! Watch our videos, subscribe to the channel and put our finger up if you like it. Bye bye, my friend!